I'm gonna make a squishy video just right now. I'm gonna go inside. Okay, and I'm gonna get all my squishies. So I'm gonna be counting them when I go through them, so stay tuned for that. 1, 2. I got all these squishies. Okay, so I'm so excited. So the first one I have is a homemade watermelon. This one is 1. It's really not that slow rising. I don't like them if they're soft. So that was 1. The second one is a homemade bow. You might have seen these two on my previous video. I made this out of a sponge, so it's not that good. So that was 2. Here I have a random ugly thing. I don't know why I made it, but I made it. That was 3. Here I have a guy I named Neely. Here's Neely the whale. Mr. Neely. Hurry up and rise! So that was 1, 2, 3. This equals 4. 4 squishies I have. 4 donut. 5 plain donut. 6 random squishy, not so rising basketball. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squishies. Here I have panda bunny. 8 ice cream. 9 macaroon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10. 11. Oh, darn it, you messed up my video.